If you've been scrolling Instagram lately, you've probably seen these Thermocol sculpture videos everywhere. They're blowing up right now. And honestly, this could be the next big AI trend. The best part? You can even use a real person's photo to create them. I made this one myself with AI, and it literally took me less than 2 minutes. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these videos for completely free. First, head over to this prompt link from the description below. Simply copy the full master prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and you're ready to go. Now you have 2 methods to create these viral videos. Method 1. If you simply want to create a video using a name, open the prompt link, copy this full prompt, and paste it at the end of the master prompt in ChatGPT. Now replace lion with your favorite object, animal, or sculpture idea and hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate your final master prompt. Now copy that prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the video option, choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your preferred settings. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI Thermocol sculpture video will be ready. Method 2. If you want to create a sculpture of your own character or even a real person's photo, open the prompt link, copy this full prompt and paste it at the end of the master prompt in ChatGPT. Hit enter, and within a second, your final master prompt will be ready. Copy the prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the video option, choose Omni Flash as your video model, and set your preferred settings. Now click the plus icon and upload your character image. Once it's uploaded, click on the image, press the 3 dots, choose Add to Prompt, paste your generated prompt, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI Thermocol sculpture video will be ready. And that's literally the complete process. Whether you want to create sculptures from simple names or real character images, both methods take only a couple of minutes and can generate unlimited the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.